This is a demo of how the Polychute system version 2021 from Polyene is to be installed at L&T Infotech Mahape site in the P section duct which was given. Basically we have simulated the duct in terms of this particular slotted angle. So this slotted angle is 1050 mm and this is 750 mm. You can see that. So basically how the whole installation has to be done is, first you have to install the support structure. So the support structure will come in 300. So you can see this line, this will come to the edge of the beam, and then the anchor fasteners have to be drilled here. So basically we have 3 for each side, so 3 anchor fasteners, and these holes are basically given offset so that if there is any rod or something coming in, reinforcement rod, this can be adjusted. So basically the system is for 3.9 meters you will require totally 5 chutes. So if you can see the whole setup, 3 chutes are linked the same way as you can see, and the hopper chute, as you can see here, is that just floated, it is not connected, it is just inserted into the plain chute. The plain chute is connected to these angles which you can see with this rod, connecting rod. So basically you will have to lift the entire assembly with the ropes provided and install onto this 2 sides of the structure. So into this now you have to fit the intake tray. So this is the intake tray. The intake tray will go into here. So this is how the intake tray will be fitted. And basically you remove the bolts here and tighten it back. So bolts will be removed from here. And tighten back. So this is how for each floor level you will have to install the system. So at the end of it you basically have this 25 mm angle, which will basically, you will have to fit it to this with the bolt. If you remove this bolt, fit it here. So everything is provided in the tray itself, you just have to remove it and fit it. So that is the whole design. So the same process you will repeat for all the floors of your Tower 1 and Tower 2 at Mahape. If there is any doubt or thing, please WhatsApp us or email us at polyengroup@gmail.com for further details, or WhatsApp us. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best with the Polychute debris evacuation system version 2021.